And we are here again with the next repair, Apfeldoktor, Germany. We are in the making of English videos, and today we have an iPad Air with a broken Duckflex lightning connector. How you would like to say it. Here you can see we just take our TriStar tester, because TriStar tester can say if the cable or the lightning connector is broken or not. Fail. So we know we have to change this port. No problem for us. We just do it. So let's get under the microscope and see how we solve this case. We have an iPad Air logic board here. We just first remove the glue, the sticker, the cover sticker. It is there to prevent shortage to ground on the housing. And now we take a little bit of Captain to on our switch on our dust absorber, and then just a little bit of flux and a little bit of solder. I show you how I do this every day. These are repairs which we do every day, and it is really no problem to change this charging port on this device. Just a little bit more of this tiny solder wire. So, and you see, it is really no problem to desolder the charging port. Now we take a little bit of flux again, and we take our solder wick. Just have to take a look where it is. I use it all the time, and then I search for it. Take a little bit of solder again to my JBC NT105. And just have a look for this pad here. It is gone, but it is not the problem. You can take it off, because I show you it is just, give me one moment, iPad Air. It is just a ground pad, so it is not a problem at all when we use a ground pad. It's really no problem. We could jumper this pad within 20 seconds, but we don't need to do, because it is only ground pad, and we just don't need to jumper it. So this is a clean room wipe with a little bit of isopropanol. And now we can solder the new charging port. No problem. Just place it in the right way. and then you can solder it on. Here you can see it a little bit better if I take a little bit light off of the light ring. You can see it a little bit better, but it is okay in that way. Here I just give a little bit solder on the iron, and after I have done these pads, it goes up fast now because we only have to give some flux onto the flex cable, and then we can just do our solder work. And this it was. It is no magic to do this, like you see. It is really no magic. You can solder every pin one by one after you have given enough solder to all the pins. And now we are finished. Finished, we take some alcohol on the clean room wipe. It is more work to get the logic board out of the housing as to solder down this tiny little lightning connector. So I just need the glue stripe, here it is, and we can test. Just give me the TriStar tester and just give me the enhanced camera so we can see the stock flex will be fine because it is new and tested. Here we just do the quick test. Oh, it says fail, but I think this is a fail of the TriStar tester, because sometimes TriStar tester says fail and all is fine. But the port was really broken before, so we just do a little test in that way. We put the logic board directly on the battery, and then we get, and here you can see, people, it just works normal. I can show you with the screen, no problem, really no problem. Yeah, that's better. But now you can see TriStar tester not always says the truth. Not always says the truth. So I want to show you now that this device is charging and working again. And before, it hasn't done this in that way because it didn't work. You could put in the USB cable and you have no function at all. And now we are back to life again. I just want to show you the charging symbol. Here, give me another cable because this cable is really fucked up in that way. And now, here you can see we have 2% and the device is charging. You see it? Because on that cable that I have here, on all iPads does not charge. But with oh, I don't have the power button on it. Okay, you see, and now I connect the cable. And it works. We are back to life again. Charging port repair, lightning connector repair on an iPad Air. Live here from Germany, Apfeldoktor. I'm the CEO. My name is Ben. This is Andy, and to the right, you see David. We are out. We see us in the next video. Goodbye.